y'all. Thank y'all for turning in. We're good with y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in to another amazing vlog. About to hop in John Jones today, man. It's a beautiful day outside. Hey, I feel like riding. I'm finna hit the gym. I'm going to the shop. All type of stuff. So who knows what this vlog has in store. All I know, y'all want to stay tuned. And look, we're finna get to it. Oh, first build video for the box Chevy. I'm excited. So yeah, we finna hop in John Jones. I'm finna ride a little bit, probably give y'all a little B-roll footage, and go to the gym. And then I'm going to Joe Buddy Racing, man. Then we're gonna film and all that good stuff, man. It's about to be a real good day, and I'm gonna holler at y'all about some more stuff. So stay tuned in. Before we do leave, let's get a little cold start action. I know it's dark in here, it's all good. When I crank my car, I always do that, let the fuel pump prime too then. Yes, sir. Y'all, so I just made it to the shop. See, I'm in John Jones today, and today is the day. Cheapskate finally about to leave. So transport on the way. When they get here, I'm gonna turn the camera back on and tell y'all who won and all that if you don't know already. And say our final farewell to Cheapskate. So stay tuned in. All right, y'all. So Cheapskate about to be out of here.
That's good.
Cheapskate about to go up north, so y'all probably see it up there somewhere. Going up to Philadelphia. Ryan Hardy was the one that won the truck, but his cousin Carl is the one that's gonna have the trucks. So I don't know what his plans are for it. So y'all gonna, I'm pretty sure y'all gonna see it though. I'm pretty sure y'all gonna see it.
Huh? Good. Yeah, but oh, my bad. He got a blazer though. Alright, see? That's that Georgia muscle, man. You got brakes? Whoa. She got brakes?
Yeah.
Come on with it. We're gonna go all the way up.
Y'all, Cheapskate about to go up north. It was fun. We had fun with it, but we on to the next bill. We still got Camaro. We're doing stuff too.
383.
All right, so y'all see this thing gone. There we go. Y'all definitely stay tuned in. Look out for it up north. Y'all spot it up north somewhere up there in Philly, man. Take a picture of it or tag me on Instagram or something. Or whatever. Keep me updated if y'all see this thing. I'm curious to see what's gonna get done with Cheapskate. I definitely want to see what it's gonna turn into. But yeah, we over here. Y'all stay tuned into the episode. We're gonna get into the shop. We got some more stuff coming on the way, but everybody gotta wave bye because it's out of here.
The other one's for this one because it's a truck. So you can hook this piece to hook. You know what I mean?
Got the window up.
For now. But that other one, I don't know what that's gonna be.
Hey, you glad or you sad to see it go?
Sad, man, sad. I had plans to go super fast, and I won't stand it up.
Y'all love the truck, man. Like we got another one we working on, y'all. Another one, so. Hey man, go ahead and shout your business out, man. There's a lot of people see this.
Diamondback Logistics here to haul. What I guess used to be fast, you know what I'm saying? About to go to somebody else to make it fast.
Hey, throw your number out there. What's your number?
404-808-1600.
All right, y'all. Hit them up for transportation. Like I said, they got here. They was on time. He called me. Shout out to Carl. Carl got the truck up there in Philly. They was on time, man. Transporting. They finna go up north with the truck. So I said, hit them up. Put their number on the screen. Show them some love. Y'all know I show everybody love. So stay tuned in. Out of here. Alright y'all, so look, we checking back in. A little short vlog today. I just had to get that. I had to get that on camera though, with Cheapskate leaving, cause hey man, I know more people gonna miss the truck than I am. I mean, I was alright. I enjoyed the truck. It served its purpose. It was to show people you can do stuff on a budget, you can have fun, but it was also to show people that sometimes you see how stuff turn out. If you follow the Cheapskate bill, then you know the motor end up knocking, spun a rod bearing. Actually still sitting in there. I got the motor still sitting in there. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be revisited, but yeah, it served its purpose, man. So I'm glad to see somebody else have the truck. Is going to a totally new area, so you know, I'm just curious to see what he gonna do with the truck. Hope he enjoyed it and everything. It was a sick deal or sick chassis. Shout out to everybody that was in the contest and, you know, participated, man. I really appreciate y'all. And, you know, that's all I wanted. I want the truck to go to a supporter, somebody that actually supported the movement or watched the videos or whatever. So, yeah, man, it's gone. So if you up in the Philadelphia area or whatever, hey, look out for it. May see it around, you never know. But, yeah, I hope y'all enjoying the vlogs and all that. And we got John Jones. I might, you know what? I've been telling y'all I'm gonna do something, and I ain't did it yet. So we might close this vlog out with some burnout smoke. Y'all know I love doing that. I want to get y'all a flyby too, man, but I don't ever have nobody to hold the camera. So we might it might be showtime here in a minute. Give y'all a good thumbnail. So let's go to the next clip.
Yeah, I would have held it for you or something.
Oh yeah. I just set it down right here. Alright y'all, so look, I told y'all I did a little burnout. This is them the lines right there. When that boost come in, it'll just keep going, y'all. I'm talking about, y'all know that though, but that was 2 pounds of boost. So there was 2 pounds of boost right there. We're trying to run through the gate, obviously. So yeah, just something, man, to make it exciting. Cause I'll never give y'all no action. I'm always holding the camera, or you know, or whatever. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned in. Like I said, first video of the box Chevy build coming soon. So hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. I catch y'all probably tomorrow, the day after. And make sure to like or subscribe if you haven't already. Share the video, all that good stuff. I appreciate y'all. I'm out.